What's the meaning of blouson? Blouson. Blouson.
Blouson. Blouson. Blouson is a type of jacket that is characterized by its loose, baggy fit around the waist. The jacket usually has an elasticated or ribbed waistband and cuffs that help to create the blousing effect. Blousons are versatile and can be worn for a range of occasions, from casual outings to semi-formal events. They are typically made from lightweight materials such as cotton or nylon and come in a variety of colors and patterns. Blousons were first popularized in the 1920s and have since remained a popular style choice among both men and women. They are often associated with a relaxed, laid-back look and are a great option for those looking to add some casual flair to their outfit.